You guys wouldn't believe what I just got. I'm literally stopping my Ipsy video review for this. I just got the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. I'm sorry Ipsy, but I'm gonna stop doing the video for this. So the mailman just came by and dropped this off. And me and my friend Andrea Rodriguez, in which you can find her channel down below, ordered the Halloween mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which is weird because we didn't even get the email, and I just got it and I'm so happy I got it. Okay, this is my first impressions. Let me lower down the camera. I'm so excited. Oh my god. My camera shook. I'm shook. I had to change beanie so I wouldn't look the same in the videos. So I got the small box because I'm broke, and I think the small box was like close to 40 bucks, and then the shipping made it to $55. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so it comes in this box. Oh my god. And it comes in this black packaging. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This looks like it's wrapped like a Whataburger sandwich. I'm gonna keep the sticker for my phone. This is the mini breaker. I wish I could have gotten this sooner, then I can change my eye look right now. Ooh! Even the bubble wrap is pink. My first Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm fangirling. Oh my god. This is my very first like Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. I wanna redo my makeup now. I am so sorry Ipsy, but Jeffree Star, I'm not even gonna care about saying this because Ipsy packages always get delayed and come by the end of the month instead of the first day of the month, which is why I haven't done reviews at all. But oh my god. Girl. I'm gonna take my makeup off right now and or my eye makeup off and redo a look. Look at this. The mirror. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna do some swatches in a bit and display them and show them. Sorry, I'm shook. And I'm gonna show them off right now in a bit. I'm gonna film an eye look tomorrow on this, and the tutorial is gonna be up as soon as I can get it up. My gosh, be ready guys. I'm gonna keep the box, I'm gonna keep the wrap, everything. So the next Halloween item in the Halloween mystery box is this lipstick. that's in the Halloween package. This is called Soul Soaker. Right here. It says shake well before use. You have the inspiration date right here. Soul Soaker. Let's compare it to the minis. Okay, so this is a regular Jeffree Star lipstick and this is a mini. It smells like caramel. It smells like caramel. I don't like to eat caramel, but the smell of it is so good. This is a type of lipstick that requires multiple layers. That's nothing bad. It's normal for a lipstick to need multiple layers, and it's honestly a cute shade. It's like a brown black color with sprinkles or like sparkles. It's very cute. All it needs is a few just layers and that's it. It's okay. It's Jeffree. We all love him. Oh my god, I know I couldn't afford to pay for these items individually, but the mystery box was such a good idea. And you know, I'm gonna buy the Halloween mystery box. Okay, so the next one is the bullet lipstick ammunition. I think that's what they're called. And I think this is like the summer type of thing because it's lime green. And it's in the shade Glaze. This looks like a freaking bullet, dude. Sticker screen. Friday the 13th is in the background. Oh my god. Look at this. And if you get the small box, you get 4 items, but it is for sure you get more than what you pay for, and the quality of course is good because it's Jeffree. Oh my god. So this is the last lipstick that comes in the box. It's in a pink box. I'm gonna keep these boxes and just display them. And this shade is called First Class. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Let me see if this one smells like caramel. No, this just smells like regular lipstick. This is honestly a cute shade for something neutral like this. It is wearable. It is. Even though it might not look like it, it is. I would wear this on an everyday to day basis. For sure his lipsticks dry off really fast because it's matte. And look at the shine, it's so pretty. So for every individual item, I'm gonna put the price, and then I'm gonna put the price of the mystery box, like the size that I got, and show you how I got the worth of my money for sure. So overall, I am pretty impressed by my first impressions of the pigment, of the eyeshadow shades and the lipstick shades. It's also amazing. This is like my very first Jeffree Star products. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and give it a like if you want to see more stuff. And if you want me to review something else, recommend it in the comments below. And thank you for watching.